In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add XM to Metatrader 5. Before we jump into the platform, make sure you have an XM account specifically created for Metatrader 5. XM accounts are platform-specific, so an MT4 account will not work on MT5. If you don't have an MT5 account yet, whether demo or real, you can open one on XM's website first. Once that's set, you're ready to connect it to your platform. Now, open Metatrader 5 on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download the MT5 app or desktop version and launch it. The process to connect is similar across devices, and I'll call out the exact menu names so you can follow along easily. On desktop, look to the top left of the MT5 window, click File, and choose Login to Trade Account. On mobile, open the MT5 app, go to Settings or Manage Accounts, tap the plus icon, and select Login to Existing Account. This brings up the broker search and login panel you'll need. In the server search box, type XM. You should see server options appear, such as XM Global MT5, XM Global Real 1, or XM Global Demo. What matters most here is matching the server exactly to what XM sent you when your account was created. That server name is included in your account details email. If the list doesn't appear right away, try searching for XM Global or XM Global MT5 to narrow it down. Next, enter your login credentials. Use the account number provided by XM as your login, enter your password, and select the exact server listed in your welcome email. Those three items, login, password, and server, must all match what XM provided. Take your time here. It's easy to mix up characters or pick the wrong server if the names look similar. Once everything is in place, click Login on desktop or tap Sign In on mobile. If the details are correct, MT5 will connect to XM and you'll see your account balance, live market prices in the Quotes or Market Watch window, and the available trading instruments. That's your confirmation that the account is active and linked properly. If it doesn't connect, don't worry. Go back and double-check three things. Verify you chose the exact server name from your email, confirm your login and password are correct, and make sure the account type matches what you selected. Use a demo account only with demo servers and a real account only with real servers. Correcting any of these usually resolves connection issues quickly, and that's it. With your XM MT5 account connected, you're ready to explore charts, place trades, and manage positions confidently within Metatrader 5.